ships a day. Lonely sailors pass the time away and talk about their homes. And there's a girl in this harbor town, and she works laying whiskey down. They say, Brandy, fetch your mother around. She serves them whiskey and wine. The sailors say, Brandy, you're a fine girl. What a good wife you would be. Yeah, your eyes could steal a sailor from the sea. Brandy wears a braided chain.
Come on. Come on, this way, my river lilies. Come on.
Where are you taking me?
Come on. Look. Look.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I was afraid it wouldn't take to the soil, but it rooted quickly. And soon, it'll be everywhere, all across the universe.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about, but I like the way you say it.
My heart is yours, Meredith Quill.
I can't believe I fell in love with a spaceman.
Brandon used to watch his eyes when he told his sailor story. She could feel the ocean fall and rise. She saw its raging glory, but he had always told the truth. Thought he was an honest man. And Brandon does her best to understand.
Showtime, a-holes. It'll be here any minute.
Which will be its loss.
I thought your thing was a sword.
We've been hired to stop an interdimensional beast from feeding on those batteries, and I'm gonna stop it with a sword.
It's just swords were your thing and guns were mine. But I guess we're both doing guns now. I just didn't know that.
Drax, why aren't you wearing one of Rocket's arrow rigs?
It hurts.
Hurts.
I have sensitive nipples.
My nipples hurt. Oh, goodness me.
What about him? What's he doing?
I'm finishing this so we can listen to tunes while we work.
How is that a priority?
Blame Quill! He's the one who loves music so much.
No, I actually agree with Drax on this. That's hardly important right now.
Oh, okay. Sure, Quill.
No, seriously, I side with Drax.
No, I understand that. You're being